Today, our guest in our podcast from EMO Hannover Innovate Manufacturing is Ashok Kumar, the founder and managing director of TASA Micro SPM. Hello Ashok sir, welcome to our podcast from EMO Hannover Innovate Manufacturing. So this is our machine maker special edition for EMO Hannover. I would like to give this copy to you.
Thank you very much.
You used to visit international exhibitions earlier, but this is the very first time you are coming and exhibiting at EMO Hannover. So how was your experience coming and showcasing your innovations?
Actually, I am visiting EMO from last 1997, and I never miss a single exhibition. And when I left my job and I start my business, want to do some business, I want to do some other than what people are doing. Because manufacturing engineering earlier was in the block manufacturing system. As per the process, one block, right turning block is separate, drilling block is separate, milling block is separate, grinding block is separate. Then that separate block has been changed to the slightly SPM division. 1982, when the Maruti came to India, so they put the Toyota manufacturing system, which is a line concept system. Every component has its own line, and that line will continue, and people also jump out to that system. But after some time, it has been realized that the system is not properly okay, because some line is totally booked, some line is vacant for the 60%, 40%, 70% like that. So what are the profitability of that line, major line, that smaller line is killing the profit of that. Then it is an integrated manufacturing system, and that there are the innovation camp, that innovation, the turn mill center, 4axis, 5axis like that. Now it has been come to innovation of integrated manufacturing system. How you will integrate all the process into one machine. On that process we are working right now.
See, eventually, even our podcast as well as the theme is centered around this EMO Hannover's theme itself, innovate manufacturing, and you are an innovator yourself. So, what is the meaning of innovate manufacturing for you?
This is the innovate manufacturing. This word itself having the own meaning. When the question in the engineering, what meaning is what is meaning? Okay. So when the question is coming in the innovative manufacturing, there is a need is there. That is why it requires innovation. Unless otherwise, there is no question of any innovation. Suppose if you are hungry, then we will take the food. Okay. And food is meant for the hunger people. If you are not hungry, then food has no value. So similarly, when the process engineering has come, and day to day we are facing the different kind of problems, so we have to innovate how we can overcome this problem. So that overcome, whatever system we develop, that is innovation.
It is as per the need.
As per the need.
This is one of the components which is made in your machine, right?
Yes.
So you made many innovations like the big broaching machine.
I am innovating. Our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave a slogan in the 2014, "Make in India," so that India may be self-reliance, and which is today also required. Because as long as we will not innovate, we cannot face the challenge. We cannot beat with the world. Okay, but I am doing this made in India concept from 2000, 14 years before, and today also I am doing that. So this is a ring gear. This ring gear, it is recently we have developed 120-ton broaching machine for the Italian customer, and that Italian customer makes the solar energy systems. Planetary gearbox they made. They are the leader in the world. One of the major, if you can count the 10 gearbox maker, he will be one of them. So and the company name is Bonfigoli.
Oh,
And that is an Italian company. We have earlier also give you 75-ton batching machine. Now it is 120-ton batching machine. And as per the Bonfigoli, it is the highest capacity batching machine machine we have made so far in Asia. And they are happy with that machine, and they are thinking to go for another sector machine. So these manufacturing challenges in India, they have feel India is having the strength to do this.
so my question was that, how these innovations, what you are making, is making an impact
Yes.
in the shop floor. But
Yeah.
I think you beautifully explained it. How an Italian manufacturer is trusting
Okay.
with your products.
When we are discussing about the technology, because unless until you don't have the technology, you will not survive. Okay. So when we will either Italian customer or US customer, whatever it may be, first we understand what is their requirement. Then we ask them why you require, and what kind of requirement you expect from this machine. When they give one check sheet is there, we will make a check sheet what are the requirements of the customer. According to that check sheet, we realize whether study it in deeply, whether it will be feasible or if it is not feasible. If it is not feasible, what are the reason for? If it is feasible, then what has to be done? So these two things we have put in the customer bench, and customer bench realize that okay, we will go for that. Because whenever you go for any one technical discussion, you can know the depth of the person, capabilities and strength also. So in that process, they feel we can do this.
It's all about technologies in manufacturing that we are able to bring new solutions to our customers. So there are advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, high advanced automation. So and the skilled workforce. What is your views on these two?
As far as the skilled workforce is concerned, it is very essential to everyone need to be skilled and training properly. Point number one. Point number two, what are the innovation we are doing day-to-day basis, and there is a lot of changes in the innovation system also. So accordingly, to run a car, suppose 100, after running a car, that he is a driver, no doubt. But if he wants to drive a truck, then he have to take another license. So that means again training is required. It does not mean that if I am driving a car also having the four wheel and the truck also having the four wheel, I can run that. Or someone says that I can fly aeroplane also. To fly the aeroplane, you need the training. So training is very much essential for any innovation. And before innovation, what are the innovation we are going to do first? First, we have to understand for whom this innovation is required, how to maintain this innovation, who will run the innovation, and what will be the benefit of this innovation. Lot of innovation we did in the future also, but it has been failed. You take a great example of that. You take an example of Nokia phone. It is innovated product. It is not the innovated product. But after Nokia, he never changed their thought.
You were always, talking about practical learning. It's not about bookish, is what you are. So, what is the message you would like to give to the youngsters?
Listen, book is a knowledge. Book is a knowledge where you can know what is the subject. Book never will give you bread and butter. For take a bread and butter, establish yourself. Anyone to establish himself. That needs skill. So skill never comes to the legacy. Skill cannot buy from the market. Skill has to be developed by yourself. Amjad Ali Khan is a very good Surat player. That son is not equivalent to that. Amitabh Bachchan is a very good artist, but that son and daughter are not like that. Because it is a skill of Amitabh Bachchan became Amitabh Bachchan. A skill of Amjad Ali as Amjad. So you cannot challenge or you cannot transfer the skill to anyone. Skill need to be developed yourself.
You need to get that acquired
Acquired.
over time.
But for the time to develop the skill, you require vision. Then to maintain that vision, to get the vision, you require patience. For the patience, you require passion. Then only skill will come. Otherwise not.
Sir, thank you very much for your time, because it's always insightful, the kind of experience what you bring over so many years working and then starting this enterprise at an age where people will think that, okay, enough, you started and you made it an international company, and we're all proud about what TASA Micro SPM is doing. Thank you very much for your time, and all the very best for you and TASA.
Thank you very much to Machine Maker, and you have given me time to explain the things what we are doing, and I hope some people will see and understand, and if they can do for things for the country, it will be very grateful to.
Thank you.
Very much.